This is the Lockpicking Lawyer. I am working through the package of locks that Zombie Lock sent to me, and today we have this Texas Gym Challenge lock. Looks like it was made on a Kwikset body. Works nicely as all of Texas Gym's locks do. Let's pick this guy open and then we will see what's inside. Using top of the keyway tension with a 50 thousandths pry bar and this 25 thousandths standard hook. Okay, 1 is springy, 2 is springy, 3 is springy, 4 is springy. Got a click out of 5, another click out of 5, back to 1, click out of 1, false set, another click out of 1, went a little bit deeper, nothing from 2, 3, counter rotation on 4. I think that's it from him. Nothing from 5, back to 1. Nothing there. Nothing out of 2. Nothing from 3, 4. Oh, click out of 5. Must have missed that the first time through. Okay, let's open this guy up and see what's inside. Okay, let me lock this guy back up. We do have a key, and then remove the C-clip on the back. Okay, not sure what the best way to get this out is, but there we go. That worked. Okay, let's dump the key pins out. Okay, 1 is spooled. So is 2 and 3 both have deep serrations, as does 4. And 5 has some deep spooling. Looks like there's light threading on at least, no, all 5 of them. Very light threading on all 5. Okay, let's take a look at the driver pins. Okay, in slot 1 we have I'm not sure what to call that. Looks a little bit like the ASA new style spool. Okay, a spool, homemade spool in number 2. An extraordinarily deep spool in number 3. A homemade concave spool in number 4. And another one of those homemade ASA pins, I think it was in this way, in number 5. Okay, let's dump these springs out. I'm only seeing, unless I lost one, I'm only seeing 4 springs come out of there. So maybe one of those chambers did not have a spring in it. And then let me give you a close-up of this, because every single chamber has threading in it. Very light threading, but it's there. Okay, let me give you a close-up of these pins. Okay, we have a lot of homemade pins here. Oh, number 1's upside down. Okay, on our key pins, we have number 1, homemade spooled top. 2, 3, and 4 all have homemade serrations, and 5 has a spooled top as well. We have really interesting pins in 1 and 5. They look like homemade ASA new style spools. Then we have concave spools in slots 2 and 4, both homemade, and then a very deep homemade spool in slot 3. Moving over to the core, We have very light threading in all of the chambers, although in 5 it's very hard to see. I'm not sure to what extent that came into play. And then of course we have the threading in the Bible. Here is the bidding on it, not extremely challenging. So that is what is inside of this Texas Gym Kwikset Challenge lock. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Zombie, thanks for sending this to me, and Texas Gym, great job with these pins. Bye-bye.